Normally, I don't really look at the S&P 500, but thought it was a good idea just for the pure fact that I'm looking at so many other things, but it looks like it's gonna go up again, but at the same time, it could just be a retracement to me. But Amazon for sure, that one finally fell after a month. It rose and just started dropping. What we could have is just a retracement. Oh, and also, don't take this as financial advice, but this video is strictly educational, and I'm not a financial advisor, so trade at your own risk. But yeah, maybe we may have a retrace potentially, or it may have gained strength again. We'll see what happens. This is a powerful company, and I wouldn't like totally project that it would like keep going down at this point. So me, I'm just putting down a stop loss just to protect myself. Tesla doing exactly what I wanted to do with this fall. Netflix definitely doing the same thing. But question is, will we have like a full-on retracement or continuation of the trend? If we have a trend, anyways. But time will tell. These are some really pretty strong companies and do have like a lot of change going on in the economy. So we will see. But I definitely would like to see more of a drop, and we'll see how long this lasts.